How to delete Fedex account. Now, first of all, settle all the outstanding invoices. Ensure all unpaid bills are cleared. Check your accounts for any pending payments. After that, prepare a letter of authorization. This is the name of it, LOA. So if you have a business account, write a letter on company letterhead. Includes your Fedex account number, submission date, reason for deletion, effective dates, unauthorized person's name and signature, company name stamp, for a corporate accounts only. And after that, contact the Fedex customer support. So reach out to Fedex customer support phone, insert the local customer service number. By email, insert the customer service email, or online chats, insert the link of Fedex online chat. Provide your LOA and request account deletion. And finally, confirm deletion. Fedex may ask for identity verification. Once verified, they will process your account or your request, and you should receive a confirmation email once your account is deleted. And this is how to delete Fedex account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.